Be without a harness. But,
And
Spencer's 31 and Tucker's 19, and I've had Spencer 27 years, so we go way back.
that's remarkable. That is a commitment.
Hey boys.
That is a commitment.
How are you?
May I approach?
Oh, look, yeah, sure.
Yes.
Tucker, show us your big wings. There you go. Good boy. All right.
Smoke it with Sid. I mean, cigars just bring you the energy. Besides Buffalo, I mean, this is beautiful. I feel so fortunate.
Yeah,
I
they're
feel
great. I think
fortunate.
we'll come out here every Friday.
I feel fortunate for the moment. In the moment, present, being present.
Here we are.
What about being present? What could you say about being present?
No, you can't have it. Oh, you
Present.
want to check this out?
You experience everything that there is in life when you're present, when you're in the moment, when you're with people that you connect with. That's about being present.
You want to see Spencer do something?
Guess what he's playing? My favorite artist, Pat Metheny. I'm having my way.
Watch this. Watch this. Spencer's going to take the pull tab off this can because he uses it as a tool to sharpen his beak.
Smoking with Sid. This is how we get down. We're exotic. We're present. We have Pat Metheny in the background. It doesn't get any better than that.
No, it's great. He's going to go for it. He's going to get it.
Spencer,
There you go, buddy.
come on. This is great.
Takes his time. There he goes.
Yeah, smoking with Sid.
Now he's going to use it to sharpen his beak.
Excellent. Let's get a look at that.
A little pull tab.
You are a supreme.
I don't remember
You
when
are a
he figured
supreme
that out.
specimen. Yes, isn't he? You like the description? Yes. I impress their cohabitants. You're smart, man. What do you do for them? Never mind. Not on camera. Thank you. I got too personal that time.
I raise money.
Right. I said it.
Great organization.
I picked it.
Buffalo Philharmonic.
Really?
I work in the arts. Yeah.
I'm just overwhelmed right now, so I gotta cut it
I work
off.
in the arts. I
These
raise
guys,
money.
I'm a freeloader. I don't even work.
where are you?
You're a Fortnite society.
I mean, because that's the whole frame right there, and that was a great experience for me.
Me too. Loved it. Thank you.
Smoking with Sid. Peace and love.